वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद।
Start. In this connection, it will be interesting to note the talk of the Honorable Railway Minister about the schools, primary schools, higher secondary schools and high schools for the Indian Railways. Stop. If you examine the previous speech of the Railway Minister and also the working report of the Railway Board, you will find that the same figure is repeated every year. Stop. I have examined the figures and I find that this year only 16 schools have been added, out of which 13 are primary schools, 1 is a higher secondary school and 2 are middle or high schools. Stop. Instead of saying that they have been able only to provide 13 primary schools or 1 or 2 more high schools or higher secondary schools, the same figures are repeated in the speech. Stop. Although the Railway Board has all along been saying that education is the responsibility of the state and therefore the Railway Board does not own this responsibility, I would like to remind the Railway Minister about the agreement reached between the National Federation of Railwaymen and the Railway Board in the year 1955, according to which the Railway Board undertook to provide primary schools for the education of the children of railway employees. Stop para. Sir, as I told you earlier, I had to say many things on the floor of this house, but I will conclude with only 1 or 2 more observations. Stop. I will first deal with the labor relations on the Indian Railways. I slightly differ from my honorable friend when he quoted me as saying that the permanent negotiating machinery has completely failed. Stop. It is a fact that this machinery is not functioning satisfactorily. Stop. At certain places, it has failed. Stop. There is no doubt about it. Stop. But I would say in this house, most frankly, that at the board's level, this machinery has been working successfully. Stop. But this is not the position so far as the zonal railways are concerned. Stop. I do not say that in all the zonal railways it is so, but in certain zonal railways and in most of the divisions of these railways it has failed. Stop. I was expecting that the railway minister would examine the working of this machinery in all the railways. Stop. What is the greatest defect in this machinery? Sign of interrogation. This machinery suffers to the extent that at the board level, if there is difference of opinion between the railway board and the railway labor, no arbitration machinery is provided to settle the disputes. Stop. The provision in this machinery is that as and when an occasion arises, an ad hoc tribunal would be set up by government. Stop.
दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।